In this video, I'll show you how to remove the side mirror from this vehicle. If you want to learn the process, stay tuned. This is a very simple task, and I'll display all the tools needed to complete this project. To begin the steps, you'll need to remove the two panels located here, and then there's another one located directly behind the door handle. Now, I'll be using a sharp tool, and you don't have to use a sharp tool, but you can use a plastic trim tool as well so that you don't stretch up your door panel. We're going to begin in this area located here. You'll need to take that tool, go behind it, and simply pull it away from the door panel. You'll notice that there are two Phillips head screws located directly behind it. So behind your door handle, you'll notice that there is a 10mm bolt located behind it. Once you've removed the three screws, you can proceed to the next step. There are clips on the back side of this door panel holding it together to the door. You'll need to remove this rubber grommet before prying the door panel away. We're going to start out with the corner area to pry away the clips. Once you start, work your way all the way around until you get to the top. Once you've made it to the top, simply lift the door panel upward and pull it away. Once you've released the clips, you'll notice that there are electrical connections on the back side of this panel. There's also the door lock function and the door opening function located in these areas here. You'll need to pull those away and lift up on that tab and remove them like so. In other areas, you'll notice that there are electrical connections. Each area will have a tab. You'll need to press down and simply pull it away. There are a total of 4 wire areas that'll need to be disconnected. Now we can proceed to the speaker area. There are 2 connections that you'll need to simply pull away and remember where they came from. The door panel should now remove from its location. You want to make sure that all the clips are behind the panel for when the time comes. If they're not there, you will have difficulty applying the door panel back into its position. Here's an example. You'll notice that this clip is missing from its slot. Now we're going to look for a white clip similar to these. First place, we're going to check inside the back of the door. And in this section, you'll see that this clip is here. Now I'm going to use a clip trim removal. You simply get behind it and you pull away. To place it back in position, you will follow the images of the clips already on the back side of the door panel. Now we can proceed to the back side of the mirror. First off, we're going to disconnect the electrical wires. There's a tab located here. You'll need to push down and pull away. The next step will be to pull back the speaker cover, and you'll need to remove 3 10mm bolts. Once you've removed the 3 bolts, there's a tab on the back side assisting the strength of the mirror. You'll need to press in a downward motion right before pulling away the mirror. You've now completed the process. Thanks for watching.